Giving and receiving. Presents are a precious way to say that you care about someone. This past month, I've been crocheting and sewing a lot to get all my Christmas presents ready. It's the first year I hand-make absolutely all the gifts, as my financial situation doesn't allow me to buy many fancy things. Which made me wonder, are handmade gifts considered cheap or thoughtful? My sister and I were brought up by my mom as a single parent for several years. However, when I was just 4 years old, she crossed paths with a remarkable woman who would eventually become our second mother. She often recounts the tale of one of her most cherished gifts. At that time, we used pesetas, and my favorite among them was the 25 cents coin, basically because of its amusing hole in the middle. One day, I retrieved this cherished coin from my piggy bank and affixed it to a piece of paper, creating a whimsical drawing. The coin became the sun in the artwork, and alongside it was a heart with legs and arms, adorned with a broad, joyous smile. It wasn't a beautiful, wrapped, and expensive gift, but it held a timeless significance for her. With just a funny coin and some coloring, that little girl was telling her that she loved her, that everything that was ours now was hers too. She reciprocated the kindness without a doubt. Despite not having much, every time she visited, she brought along thoughtful gifts. Even now, her basement remains stocked with presents for the children in the family. I suppose that experience inspired my love for giving presents, as I've been on the receiving end, and I understand how a small gesture can fill your heart with warmth. This inclination of mine persists beyond traditional occasions like Christmas or birthday, which might seem peculiar given my typically frugal and thrifty nature. Nonetheless, the joy of sharing meaningful moments through thoughtful gifts is something I find immensely gratifying. To me, the true value doesn't lie in the price tag, but in the genuine thought and love behind the gesture. It could take the form of a cutting from a plant in your home, a homemade banana bread, a dress that you might not see much use for you, but could bring immense joy to someone else. I have a fondness for handmade gifts, tailored to the recipient's needs or interests, all with sincere consideration rather than mere obligation. As an illustration, this holiday season I've carefully chosen gifts for my loved ones. My sister will receive a book sleeve, ideal for safeguarding the novels she always carries in her purse. For my mom Pilara, a crochet tio, as she enjoys incorporating my creations into her classroom. Considering my mom Estella's persistent throat discomfort, a cozy scarf is in order. A special token of gratitude for my mother-in-law, who taught me the art of sewing, comes in the form of a project that reflects my progress. Also, a mitten for my father-in-law, a culinary enthusiast who loves to cook. For my boyfriend, a dachshund pillow because he loves this kind of dogs very much and we can't afford to have one now. And finally, a blanket jacket will find their way to my friend Berta, who recently acquired a new home, and it's perfect for her to enjoy a cozy time inside her new home. This is all for now. I wish you abundant love, not only during the holiday season, but through the year as well. Adeu!